Hello, I'm Marissa Razin from Dassault Systèmes, and this is our workstation where we showcase how our solution can help an operator doing this job. So first we are on our MES, where we can see the different work instructions he has to do in order to assemble a gearbox. So this is the gearbox, and we can see that one of the work instructions as an operator that I have to do is to torque the different screws on it. We can do it thanks to our connected tool, which is an Atlas Copco. And when I screw the screw on the gearbox, I have the torque value that is displayed on the torque tool, but it's also sent to our MES Apriso directly thanks to a disconnected tool. The second operation I have to do is to place different accessories on my gearbox, and to do so I am helped by my augmented experience solution, which projects different instructions directly onto the part. So for example, here I know that I have to place my green accessory on this part, and if I move the gearbox, it will follow. And I also have to place my orange accessory here. And once that those work instructions are done, I will do a quality check to see if my work has been well done. To do so, I use still the augmented experience solution, but with the quality control. So here I can see my different parts, and I can see that they are in green, which means that they are well placed. But if I go here, oops, sorry. Okay, if I go here, I see that I'm missing two accessories, so I can place it. And it will go green instantly. If I have an issue somewhere, I can just pick a point here, take a screenshot of it, and on this screenshot I can write down what is the issue. So I can highlight it's here. It's due to a missing part. And by doing this, I've just sent the issue back to the MES, back to my supervisor, so that at the end of the day, he can see all the issues that have been escalated by the operators. And here I can find on the screen all the issues that I have, which are placed on the 3D. So here I have my missing parts issue, and I see that it's on this part. So thanks to this, we can really close the loop between the shop floor and the engineering, because we can send this issue back to the engineering for them to look at it if there is an issue due to supply chain or to the process engineer.